Now, there are close to 33,000 active COVID-19 cases in Bengaluru urban. Now, the Aam Aadmi Party right here in the city believes that the government is not doing much. And that's one of the reasons why, spread across the 198 wards of BBMP or the Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike limits, they have actually opened kiosks such as this in order to check people. And what they're doing is, what I'm told, is that those who are not well are being requested to actually head to fever clinics. Now, I'm actually going to speak to the head of the IT cell, Mr. Baswaraj, who's right here along with us to find out more about this particular initiative as to what they're doing. Mr. Baswaraj, thank you very much for speaking to India Today. First of all, tell us about this initiative.
Yeah, so when we were expecting our state government will take action on the corona and control it, but when our health minister said only God can save us, we thought that's not it, and then Aam Aadmi Party volunteers stepped in and we decided to say that we need to bring awareness to the people, especially in the lower income areas and then in the where illiteracy and exposure to the real world is a problem. So our volunteers stepped in and said, sir, we want to work on this. And so they have set up these kiosks all across Bangalore, wherein we are giving information to the people as to what is corona, how to deal with it. Because today, people are not scared of corona. They are scared of getting into a government hospital or the system there, because so much scare has been created around it. So today we are giving them information, and in these kiosks we are doing some basic vital checks like the thermometers.
Actually, let's go over there. Let's figure out what they are actually doing. I need to see. So you said that they will be checking their temperature. Let's walk over there. So they're checking their temperature. They're using the pulse oximeter. Do tell us more.
Yeah. So we do have simple equipments like the thermal scanner. We have the oximeter. And then we also have a BP apparatus for senior citizens to make sure that their blood pressure is normal. So they do a sanitization first, and then an oximeter reading is taken, then the thermal reading is taken. If any problem is found, like thermal reading which has to be above 95, if it goes below that, we inform that there is a possibility that you may have contracted the virus, and hence we give them information about where are the fever clinics, where they have to go to, which are the hospitals in the area that they have to talk to.
So how do you inform the people? Do you go door to door, or do you inform them prior? And where all in Bengaluru is this happening?
So this is happening all over Bangalore. Today we have set up kiosks in 15 different areas all over Bangalore, and similarly this goes on across the Bangalore. What happens here is, once this is known, so many people in this area are not even decision makers on their own health also. So we do go to their homes, whoever their parents are, or their husbands or fathers, they inform them that this is the situation and you have to take due care. We give them all the information required. We tell them they need not be scared of this. It is completely a recoverable disease if treated properly. Otherwise, the symptoms will kill them. Yeah.
This is in fact a very good initiative on part of the Aam Aadmi Party. But my last question would be this. It's a known fact that the Aam Aadmi Party wants to take part in the BBMP elections, upcoming elections, whenever it is held. Now, is your party utilizing the COVID-19 in order to stamp your presence across all the 198 wards of Bengaluru?
You're kidding. We are trying to survive corona right now. So there is no point doing politics on it. It's basically wherever government has failed, we as a political party feel it responsible that these are our people. We have to take care of them, and we are doing our best. And we are providing the right information to the people so that they can fight this corona. We all can fight this corona together. And then when election comes, when politics comes, we'll take care of it later.
Thank you very much. So, well, as of now, he says when the election comes, they'll take care of it. But as of now, they're doing this in order to help the people. He says it's about survival now for everyone, for each and everyone. And that's the reason why initiatives such as this are being taken by the Aam Aadmi Party in Bengaluru. With video journalist Madhuar, Nolan Pinto for India Today.